So you can see I have now a lot of records, and in this video we'll see how to implement the pagination. We'll use the Bootstrap pagination. Okay, Laravel 8 use by default tailwind pagination, and we have to change it into Bootstrap. So what change we need to do first? Let's see. So first, in the book controller index method, we're using get method to get all the record. So here I want to write paginate, paginate, paginate. So I want to paginate 5 record per page. So if I write paginate 5, then here I can see only 5 record. Now in order to get the links, let's go here. So we have here books, right? And we're passing this book here. Now we have to go into the index page. So let's go to the index page, books index here, and now we will display the pagination here. So our table is started here, our card here, our card is started here, and it is closed here. Okay, so let's skip here. So we'll write that books, and then here we'll write links. So it will display the pagination. So now let's refresh, and you can see pagination. So yes, it obviously not displaying in the way we want it. Okay, so let's use the Bootstrap pagination. So for here I'll write pagination, 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 and so here you can see using the Bootstrap. So first you have to copy this one and go in your app service provider class. So it's in the app provider folder. So in the app we have a provider folder, app provider folder, and paste it on the top. And the second thing is we have to use pagination, use Bootstrap. We'll be using this one within the boot method. So use here. Okay, that's fine. Now let's save this and refresh, and you can see now we have a Bootstrap pagination. So you can see the pagination and it works perfectly.